Okay, next thing here, diagrammatic presentation, very important. Okay, see, diagrams is not only a part of geometry. We did that in geometry class. Like any geometry question, if they give a diagram, well and good. If they don't give, you have to form a drag. You have to first draw a diagram. Then only you will proceed in that question. That is fine. That is fine. But it is not a part only of geometry. Diagrams, whenever, wherever possible, just draw a diagram, an easy right diagram, makes the question 50% simpler. And as I said, it is not only in geometry, any topic. For example, mixtures and solutions. Yeah, there is a 10 ml alcohol solution. Okay, yeah, 20 ml of water evaporate. Okay, total also decrease by. What is this? Diagrammatic presentation. Okay, John and Alex are, 100 miles apart. Okay, let's say Alex and Bob are 100 miles apart. Alex, Bob, 100 miles apart. Alex is traveling towards Bob at the speed of 20 miles per hour. He starts at 8 a.m. Hold on. Just give me a second. Sorry. So yeah, Alex is traveling towards Bob at the rate of 20 miles per hour at 8 o'clock. Bob starts at 9 o'clock towards Alex at the rate of, let's say, 25 miles per hour. Look at this. What is this? Speed, time, distance, but still a diagram. Still a diagram. So whenever, like median of 5 observation is, or the mean of 5 observation is 70. Okay. Median is 75. Whatever, diagrammatic presentation, isn't it? That makes an easy right diagram, makes the question look 50% simpler. Very important. A lot of students don't realize this. They start mechanically with the equations and the variables and all that stuff. No. It's very useful approach, diagrammatic presentation.